Only yesterday, Kenya recorded the highest daily number of fatalities from COVID-19, and that number was 28. The three counties which recorded the highest number of COVID infections were Nairobi with over 700, followed by Nakuru County with 174, and followed by Kiambu County with 100 infections. In a little bit, we'll be hearing from Melita Oletenges on what these numbers have caused county government, what actions county governments will be taking to stem the spread of infections. Away from that, two people believed to have been a pilot and his co-pilot have perished in a plane crash in Kofia Mbaya area in Marsabit Central this morning. The incident took place approximately 2 kilometers away from the spot where another plane crash claimed the lives of three local politicians alongside other dignitaries who were headed to a peace mission in the region in 2008. A multi-agency security team is currently processing the accident scene. The other crash that took place in 2008 took the lives of three politicians and was intended to be a peace mission. The crash in 2008 actually claimed 13 lives of local politicians and other peace ambassadors, and I'm told it took place in, is it 2006 or 2008? We will confirm that for you. I did mention that three counties were leading in terms of COVID infections yesterday. They were in the three digits, that is 700, 174, 100 and exactly 100, and that is Kiambu County. Let's find out from Melita Oletenges what the county of Nyeri is doing to contain the spread, I beg your pardon, of COVID-19. Tenges, the government issued a number of directives in terms of the number allowed to attend burials, the number of rather banning political meetings for a period of 30 days. What additional measures is the county government of Nyeri taking?
Well, Olive, the county government of Nyeri, as you said, had issued a number of measures that they're saying the residents here should observe, saying that there has been laxity in terms of observing the health protocols set by the government, saying that residents here have let their guard down, and that is why there has been an increase in the spread of COVID-19 here in the county. They're saying that the positivity rate in the county is now at about 25%, and some of the measures that the governor, Mutaika Higa, actually directed include fumigation of the offices and buildings in Nyeri County, also saying that a priority will be given to those who are above 58 years to get the AstraZeneca vaccine at the hospital. Remember, the unforgiving effects of the third wave, if it's anything to go by the figures that were released yesterday by the National Emergency Response Committee, 28 deaths recorded in the country, the highest so far this year, and not just this year, but since the virus was announced in the country rather. And only the counties now are taking stringent measures. And just yesterday, the governor of Meru County, Kiraitu Murungi, also tested positive for COVID-19. This was confirmed by the Deputy Governor Titus Ntuchiu. And the health CEC, that is Meshach Mituma, and they said that the governor is now in isolation. And just last week also, the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga also tested for COVID-19, and he is recuperating, and he was actually discharged from the hospital. So just to show that the unforgiving effects of this third wave, Olive, and counties are setting their best foot forward, just to ensure that they remind the residents that they need to observe the set guidelines by the Ministry of Health. And also here in Nyeri, the governor directed that all food vendors should be tested for the virus, and so that they will be allowed to continue with their businesses. Olive, the county governments and the grassroots level are not leaving anything to chance to ensure that all the residents observe these guidelines and more. Remember, Nyeri County has registered 52 deaths since the COVID-19 virus was announced in the country, and this just shows that even as the country continues to register more deaths, it is very necessary that residents observe the set guidelines, not let down their guard, and ensure that they wear their masks, keep social distance, just to ensure that we stem the spread of the virus. Counties are putting their best foot forward, as I said, and of course we'll be letting our viewers know what the counties are putting in place as additional measures to what the national government is doing to stem the spread of the virus. Back to you, Olive.